So, today's question is, a sample of 0.1 gram of water at 100 degrees Celsius at a normal pressure of 1.013 into 10 to the power 5 Newton meter per square requires 54 cal of heat energy to convert steam at 100 degrees Celsius. If the volume of the steam produced is 167.1 cc, then the change in internal energy of the sample is. So now we know that dq equals to du plus dv. That is delta q equals to du into delta w. So we know that 54 into 4.184 equals to du plus pdv. This is because, so now we can see that if we just apply the values in the formula, we'll get 54 into 4.184 equals to du plus 1.013 into 10 to the power 5 into 167.1 into 10 to the power minus 6. So on solving this, we will get our value of du as 208.7 joule. That is our option B. Thank you.